Hello guys, I hope all of you are doing good and safe in this pandemic. The reason for me doing this video today is that we ArivuPro are giving the CS Executive Entrance Test videos absolutely free of cost. These are your normal regular videos and not the crash course. You can watch it at your convenience n number of times without any restrictions. And not only the videos, you can also have the access to our CSEET test series. And also you can download our notes for the CSEET course. Absolutely no terms and conditions attached whatsoever. I hope you guys make the maximum utilization of it and you guys pass out in flying colors. The link to access the above mentioned things is put in the description below. You can kindly access at your convenience. Stay home, stay safe and take care. Thank you.